Hi, that was the main parts to Ride On by ACDC, one of my favorite songs. I'm tuned to E today. E, B in the middle, high E. If you're normally tuned to G, tuning down shouldn't hurt your instrument at all. We're going to do everything with one finger today. Yes, there are more complex ways of playing it, but this is for beginners, so you can play a really cool song with just one finger. And also, this is one of their few songs that isn't fast, so it's quite easy to do. So it starts off with the 8th fret, which is a C chord, in this case because of how we're tuned. Then you go 8 to 13, which is an F chord. Now you do that a bunch of times. I think it's 4 times and then 2 times with vocals. Just listen to the record, for the actual specific arrangement. And you can kind of hear too on the record, he doesn't like or anything like that. He, sort of like a slow strum. A little more like that. And I'm playing through a Fender Champion. I'm using the cleanest tone possible because it's a lesson. I would probably use something that would break up a little bit if you're going to lean on it. But for the sake of the lesson, I like to keep it really clean. So you do that the required number of times, and then you go down to F, which is the 1st fret, and B flat, which is the 6th fret. Do that twice. Then G, which is the 3rd fret, and C, which we know is the 8th fret. You do that once. And then you go back to 6, which is B flat, and then down to F, and then back to C and F. Now these are an octave apart. 13 is 12 frets above 1, so that's why they have the same name. That's F. This is also F. I'm going to just play the C to F once and then play through the rest of the progression that I just told you about. Okay, now it gets really interesting. We're going to go down to the 1st fret, and we're going to do this rhythm, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 on the high string. Now you don't have to move your finger. If you just need to keep your finger there, you can do that, and you can even up pick on the top string. You do that twice, and then you move up 1 fret, which would be F sharp. And then you go to G, and then you're going to do a repetitive strumming. The count for the repetitive strumming is 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, and then it stops. I'll do it slow. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Like that. Ignore the echo. Okay, that's the first part of the song. So after you do the build up on the G, ending on the 1 there, now the progression changes a little bit. It goes F to C, the high F, and then C to G, and then back to F to C, now B flat F, and then F to C again, and then C to G, and now we're going to do a double build on the F chord, which means we're going to go 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a. And this brings us into the song turning around and starting again. I'll do it slow. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a, 4 and a. Okay, so I'll play that last little bit after the build up on the G. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1, 3, 4. And you're back into the song. That's all you need to know to play that song. Have a great day. Bye.